We are taking you inside a six-wheeled electric beast that proves practicality and insanity can live together. We're talking about Magic Slide living rooms, 1,000 horsepower of electric VTEC Fury, and an onboard AI that drives for you. Buckle up, Honda just broke the RV industry. Welcome back to the channel. I am standing next to the Honda Horizon, a vehicle that has the entire RV community buzzing. Why? Because it bridges the gap between a reliable daily driver and a multi-million-dollar super yacht. This Crimson Tourer Edition is the favorite among the new wave of eco-conscious enthusiasts because it's built on Honda's proprietary solid-state battery platform for decades. Enthusiasts have wanted an RV that doesn't feel like driving a bus. The Horizon answers that prayer. It utilizes a low-slung aerodynamic profile that borrows heavily from Formula One engineering. It offers massive storage capacity hidden within these sleek side skirts and durability that is legendary to the Honda name. This isn't just a show pony. It's designed to clock 500,000 miles off-grid with zero emissions. It's the ultimate machine for the forever traveler. Let's get into the mods. Even though this is a concept-level vehicle, the owner of this specific rig has tricked it out with some serious aftermarket gear to make it a true off-grid survivor. First up is the energy system. The roof is fitted with the Sun VTE, a custom localized solar setup that feeds into a separate bank of swappable Honda mobile power packs. This allows you to physically remove batteries to power e-bikes or portable camping gear, a level of modularity you don't see in other luxury RVs. For the suspension, this Horizon has been upgraded with an aftermarket Showa E-Active lift kit. Standard, the rig rides low for highway efficiency. But with the push of a button, this mod lifts the entire six-wheel chassis by 8 inches, allowing it to clear rocky terrain that would rip the bumper off a standard Class A. Finally, the owner installed a high-speed Starlink mesh node integrated directly into the rear fin, ensuring that even in the middle of the desert, this rolling smart home stays connected to the cloud. Step inside, and the aggressive exterior melts away into zen-like calm. Honda calls this the human maximum, machine minimum philosophy. The highlight here is the evolution of the Magic Seat. The entire living room furniture is on a rail system embedded in the floor. You can slide the lounge chairs together to form a theater row, or push them apart to create a spacious open floor plan for yoga or VR gaming. For the digital nomad, the cockpit transforms into a productivity powerhouse. The steering yoke retracts into the dash, and a solid oak workspace deploys from the passenger side, complete with dual 4K monitors rising from the surface. But the real luxury is in the back. The Master Suite features a tatami cloud bed that uses magnetic levitation tech to isolate you from road vibrations completely. Even if the driver is carving up a mountain road, you are sleeping on a cloud. Combined with the electrochromatic glass that tints instantly for privacy, it is the perfect balance of work and rest. Driving the Honda Horizon is confusing in the best way possible. Your brain sees a 40-foot RV, but your body feels like you're in a sports sedan. The EVE Tech torque vectoring on these 6 wheels is witchcraft. It grips corners with zero body roll. You can take a highway on-ramp at speed and feel completely planted. Plus, it features Honda Sensing Elite 360 hands-free driver assist system that is arguably the safest on the market. It manages the lane keeping, the braking, and even the charging stops for you. Fuel economy? We are looking at a real-world range of 600 miles on a single charge thanks to that aerodynamic nose. The feel of traveling in this is pure confidence. You don't worry about breaking down. You don't worry about wind noise. You just drive. The top 3 reasons to buy? 1. The legendary Honda reliability. 2. The modular battery system for off-grid toys. 3. The driving dynamics that make you forget you're hauling a house. The 2026 Honda Horizon isn't just a new model. It's a statement that the future of RVing doesn't have to be boring, and it doesn't have to be gas-guzzling. It brings the excitement of the automotive world into the camping world, and I think we need more of that. I want to know your thoughts. Does the idea of a high-performance Honda motorhome excite you? Or do you miss the classic wood and diesel feel of the old school? Drop a comment below, and while you're there, tell me, what is the one feature from your car you wish your RV had? Don't forget to subscribe to MOTORHOMES USA for more tours of the world's most unique rides. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the road.